Have you ever felt the weight of expectation, the silent pressure to succeed, to be the best version of yourself, yet felt utterly lost on how to get there? That gnawing uncertainty, that quiet anxiety about the future, about your own worth, I certainly have. And so did a young man named Aaron, whose story I'm about to share. Aaron was at a crossroads in his life. Fresh out of university, the world stretched before him, vast and intimidating. He saw his peers launching into impressive careers, seemingly, effortlessly achieving milestones he could only dream of. He yearned for success, for recognition, for that elusive feeling of being the best, but the path forward felt shrouded in mist. How did one truly succeed? What was the secret ingredient? These heavy questions weighed on him day after day, until he finally brought them to the one person he trusted most for clarity and wisdom: his grandfather. A quiet man whose eyes reflected a lifetime of understanding. One crisp autumn afternoon, as golden leaves drifted past the window, Aaron sat across from his grandfather in a small, cozy study. He spoke honestly about his fears, his ambitions, and his confusion. His grandfather listened without interruption, a gentle smile resting on his face. When Aaron finally finished, the old man reached for something simple on the desk: perfectly sharpened pencil. "Aaron," he said softly, "this pencil carries 5 powerful lessons about life, success, and what truly matters. If you understand them, you'll never feel lost again." Aaron looked surprised, but curious. He nodded. The first lesson his grandfather began, holding up the pencil, is that no one achieves great things alone. This pencil cannot write by itself. It needs a guiding hand. In life, you will need teachers, mentors, family, and friends. Accept guidance when it's offered. Seeking help is not weakness, it is wisdom. Aaron glanced at the pencil, thinking of the people who had supported him quietly over the years. The second lesson, his grandfather continued, taking out a sharpener, is that a pencil must be sharpened to be useful. Sharpening is uncomfortable. It removes a part of the pencil butt, it makes it better. Life will do the same to you. Hardships, failures, and struggles will hurt, but they will shape you into someone stronger and more capable. It refines you. As the pencil turned in the sharpener, Aaron felt the meaning settle deep inside him. He realized how often he had tried to avoid challenges rather than grow through them. The third lesson, the old man said, picking up the eraser, is that mistakes can be corrected. A pencil allows you to erase and try again. Life works the same way. You will make mistakes, but they are not the end. Learn from them. Adjust. Move forward. Growth begins where perfection ends. Aaron thought about his past missteps and felt something he hadn't felt in a long time: relief. The fourth lesson, his grandfather said, tapping the pencil lightly, is that the most important part is not the outer wood, but the core inside. The lead is what creates meaning. In life, your true value is not your status, your appearance, or your achievements. It is your character, your honesty, kindness, discipline, and integrity. These inner qualities define who you truly are. Aaron lowered his gaze, realizing how much he had been chasing approval instead of purpose. And the fifth lesson, his grandfather concluded gently, is that a pencil exists to leave a mark. Wherever it goes, it leaves something behind. Your life should do the same. Live in a way that leaves a positive impact. Be remembered not for what you gained, but for the good you gave. Silence filled the room. Aaron sat still, absorbing every word. In that moment, the weight on his chest began to lift. He understood that success was not about being better than others, but about becoming better than who he was yesterday. It wasn't about recognition, but about direction. Not about perfection, but purpose. He looked up and smiled. "I understand now," Aaron said. "Being the best isn't about shining on the outside. It's about strength on the inside, and the good we leave behind." His grandfather smiled warmly. "That's right," he said. "Never forget, if you're willing to learn, even the simplest pencil can guide you through life." Asterisk, if you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like, share, and leave your thoughts below. Every comment you leave is a source of motivation for me to create even better stories. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.